There, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you 5 ways to rank #1 on YouTube. Yes, I mean that. 5 ways to rank #1 on YouTube. All right, before we begin, I need to prove that I know about what I'm going to tell you now. So there's a video I did of recent, and I will search for the video on Google now. We'll start with that. Okay, so Google. All right, yeah, show me. All right, play dirty gospel chords. All right, yeah, what video comes up? This is Google. You can type it also. You can search for it. It comes up, right? That's it. Play dirty gospel chords for the song. YouTube Olusegun Johnson Keys. All right, so let's look at that. Who owns that video? Okay, so let's come to this channel. All right, so I'm showing you what has been proven, what I've tested, what is working. All right, and this is that video right here. Okay, so quick one on this. Number one thing you need to work on, the first step is your keywords. Tell your neighbor keywords are searches. They are words that people have searched for over the time, and as they have become popular search queries on YouTube. E.g., a popular keyword is a piano tutorial. A popular keyword can be how to cook, how to cook, how to do whatever. Yeah, so how to play the piano. All right, how to drive your car, how to drive an automatic car. That can be a first. So you need to work on your keywords. So in this video, the keywords I went for was actually play dirty gospel chords, and that will take us to our second uh, step, which is your title. Your title has to convey your keywords. Yeah, like in this case now, I had play dirty chords, dirty gospel chords. Of course, I had some other things also. I could have had something like how to play dirty gospel chords, but sometimes you have to play around. The code is don't use the first title that comes to your head. Don't use that. Once a title comes to your head, then think about it. All right, so that's it. So your title is the second step. You have to work on your title, and it has to include your your keywords. The third step is your description. Your description has to support whatever title you have. Learn to play this type of dirty chords. Then I put them in comma. Then I put them in semicolon, just to emphasize that now on every song using blah 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 blah. All right, so that's it. So number one, keyword. Number two is your title. Number three is your description. Then number four is the length of your video. This video is over 10 minutes. Yeah, you should do videos that are over 8 minutes and the likes. Yeah, once you do a longer video, YouTube will rank that video higher, because once people watch the video, people can spend longer time on your video. Once your video is longer, people can spend more time, and YouTube sees it like what is actually relevant and what people are watching, and then before you know it, YouTube will rank your video higher than other videos. All right, so the first one is keyword. Second, title. Your title, work on your title. Number third, work on your description. All right, so then number fourth, I said the length of your video. Make sure your video is long. Then the fifth one is which I also did, is timestamps, rather. We call it key moment or timestamps. Now this shows different timestamps in your video. Like in this video, I had at 00, that was the introduction. At 16 seconds, that was the notes on the keys, blah blah blah. 25 seconds, what happened at 1 minute, 24 seconds. So you highlight everything, and make sure you had some keywords also. Look at it. Even in the timestamps, I added some keywords also. Introduction to dirty chords, crazy dirty chords, ever dirty chords. So I loaded it a bit with keywords. So before you know it, then immediately I was done with my video, put it up, put it online, and then the next thing, I search for this title, and then it's coming up on Google, right? So All right, so that's how to go for that. Now the video is even ranking first, number one. The video is ranking number one on YouTube. It's ranked on Google. It's ranked number one on YouTube on Google, and also the same thing is ranking number one on YouTube. So once you use these steps that I've given you, your videos will rank higher than others' video. So work on your keywords, work on your titles, or work on your descriptions, the length of your videos. Then look at the timestamps also. You've seen how to add it. Let me show you that again. If you haven't seen that, you come to edit video. After your descriptions, then you had your timestamps, and I'm just also going to be giving you a bonus. A bonus is also hashtags. Add hashtags to your videos also. Like in this case, it was a piano lesson, so I had piano lessons, piano tutorials CCM. I mean, if you're a piano tutorial channel, you can use these hashtags and get your videos out there. Yeah, so sometimes we had tags, the other tags here. Sometimes we don't have, like this video I didn't had any tags, and yet it's going. So don't go by those things you've been told before. It's about tag. There are some tags you don't need. You don't need them. Your video will still rank number one. So you've seen how I rank this video. All right, so just follow these steps and your video will start ranking as number one on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.